now that your iPhone 13, 14 can do so much technically of what really used to be developing a strong skill set. I don't have to have Photoshop experience. I don't have to have, using iMovie, you can teach yourself how to do these things. So the technology is so much more accessible with a lower level of technical skill that now the area we're expanding and challenging new grads is, can you make sense of data and how it makes people behave and think and make decisions? And that's really kind of a fun sociology hook. So
true.
Yeah.
And I think, while the technology has become more prevalent and allows greater access, there's still a professional aspect to understanding that technology, depending on the platform and the delivery method and what you're going to use it, right?
Right.
And I think that's where we really have to help our students understand, you can do a lot of great things with your iPhone, but really to go to that next level, it still takes a commitment to understand and learning the technology.
Yes. Yeah. And that the technology has never been so close and so accessible, but there is still a discipline in using it. And I think that's maybe kind of a chasm where we're misfiring with students.
I think so too.
Is the finesse. That's sort of the cherry on top of that skill set, is really being able to direct professionally through those applications.
I think that, and you know this as well, the writing piece, right?
Right. I know.
It's so critical. The storyboarding and then the script writing, the improv, that's one thing, but still the ability to write out clearly what's going to take place in the message that you're trying to transpire.
I think a lot of people would look at a message and say, close enough, or they'll get it. In these disciplines, when you're paying for every word, every character in your ad space, in your ad buys, you need to maximize high impact language and to think about it the way that your audience thinks about it. What are the connotations behind these words and phrases that we use? And what does that evoke in a potential buyer or client or someone that we want to build a relationship with? And thinking about words and writing at that meta level, it takes a different level of sort of commitment to getting it right and saying exactly what you mean to say. It's hard.
Yeah. So how then, thinking about the future PR or marketing professionals that are sitting in your classroom, how do you reach out and engage them to understand the importance of that when conceptually they don't really think it is at that point in time?
Yeah, I like that. I think what a communications student right now would benefit from sort of just internalizing and keeping front of mind in all of their classes is that you are going after a moving target. There's going to be some new technology that you need to learn, some new platform that you need to incorporate into your day-to-day operations. And it's about moving with the speed of change. And that will be, I think, not just for comm majors, but for really all of our students. That will be the challenge of their professional lives.